Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Calendly team routing rules for better booking, beginner guide step by step clearly. Log in to your Calendly account. Navigate to the Teams section in the dashboard. Select the team for which you want to update routing rules. Click on the Routing Rules tab. Review the current routing rules displayed on the screen. To add a new rule, click on the Add Routing Rule button. Choose the criteria for the new rule from the available options. You can specify conditions like event type, team member, or availability. After selecting your criteria, click on Next. Assign team members to the routing rule by checking the boxes next to their names. You can set priority levels for each team member if desired. Once you have configured the assignments, click on Save. To edit an existing rule, click on the pencil icon next to the rule. Adjust the criteria and team member assignments as needed. After making changes, click Save to update the rule. If you need to remove a rule, select the trash can icon next to it. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Ensure all your routing rules are set according to your team's preferences. Test the updated rules by initiating a test booking. Monitor the bookings to see if the changes meet your expectations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.